10 Best Foods to Lower High Blood Pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension affects millions of people worldwide and can lead to serious health problems like heart disease and stroke. The good news? What you eat can make a big difference. Let's explore these superfoods. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in your body. Add them to salads or smoothies for a daily boost. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help lower blood pressure. Beets. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Drinking beet juice or roasting them for a side dish is a great idea. Oats. Whole oats are packed with fiber, especially beta-glucan, which can help reduce cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Swap your breakfast cereal for oatmeal. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which lower blood pressure and inflammation. Try grilling or baking them for dinner. Bananas. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, making them a quick and easy snack to help balance your blood pressure. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that can help relax blood vessels and improve blood pressure levels. Add it to your cooking for both flavor and health benefits. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are full of healthy fats and magnesium, both of which are great for lowering blood pressure. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonoids that help reduce hypertension. Just enjoy it in moderation. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and other compounds that improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. A healthy diet works best when combined with regular exercise, stress management, and proper sleep. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet.